Namaste. Today I am preparing chicken 65. For that I am using a boneless chicken. First we have to make this chicken in small pieces. We have to cut it in small pieces. Then now I am adding here salt as per taste. Then 1 teaspoon chili powder. Then 1 spoon corn flour powder, then curd 1 spoon, chili, garlic and ginger paste 1 spoon, and 1 egg. So now we have to mix all these ingredients with the chicken. We can even use food color. So I am using here little food color also. So I am using here little food color also. If you don't like food color, then you can skip this. So after mixing the food color, now I am adding little lemon juice also. So now let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I am going to fry this chicken. So now I am frying this chicken. First we have to fry this chicken nicely. So like this we have to fry the chicken first. Now next step is, so now we have to heat little oil first. Then in that oil I am adding little garlic and curry leaves and the green chili. So just saute for just saute for 2-3 minutes. So after 2-3 minutes I am adding the chicken. Mix it nicely. So and cook it for 2 minutes more, then it is ready. So I am not adding salt now, because already when I marinated this chicken, that time I used salt. So now I am not adding salt here. So friends, my chicken 65 is now ready. So So friends, you can see my chicken 65 is ready. So I hope you will like this recipe. If you like the recipe and the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much friends for watching the video. Thank you so much. Take care.